using computer audio. Really? आ गया PhD. अरे ये किधर गया मेरा? Where do I? मेरे को वो देखने का मेरा. हाँ. ये नहीं है क्या? Mouse हाँ. 50289. इधर लगाओ. Comfortable with the mouse. Mousepad भी लगेगा. 50289. नहीं, that's okay. थोड़ी देर के लिए इतना सब नाटक है ना, चलता है. चलो. 50289. रवि भाई अभी ये म्यूट रखो.
Hello. Can anybody hear me? Okay.
Yeah,
Good afternoon, everyone. Oh, okay. Thank you very much for the confirmation. So, everyone,
Halo Mbak Azalia, apakah masih tersambung dengan Zoom? Sepertinya freeze, Pak. Mbak.
Up. Nah, di situ nanti muncul. Okay. Hello. Okay, I'm sorry for the inconvenience, for the technical issues. Okay, so for today's webinar will be held by PT Plasma UNITECH Global and also with us SRL or Cisco Research Laboratories. And the title of the webinar is the Culture Media for Biotechnology and Industrial Application. So without waiting any further, probably from the SRL, I will pass over for the presentation to SRL team. Hello?
Hello.
Okay.
Share screen, share screen.
Okay,
Azalia,
yeah.
hi, this is Smita here.
Oh, okay. Hello, Smita. Can you share your presentation
Yes,
through
yes,
the share screen button?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you
Okay.
see it?
Yes, we can see it.
You can see me?
Yes. Actually, we cannot see your face, I mean, but we can see the presentation.
Okay, great. You can see the presentation, right?
Yeah.
So do I start or do we
Yes,
wait
please.
for?
Actually, yes, you can start from now on.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this virtual Lab Indonesia 2020. My name is Smita Chorge, and I am the export manager of Cisco Research Laboratories Private Limited. On behalf of the company, I thank you all for joining us today for this presentation, and we are glad to be here presenting you what SRL is all about. So a little history on SRL. We are a 45 years of consistent growth. We were established in 1975 with 45 years of consistent growth. Our MD, Mr. S.K. Agarwal, has been awarded an Indian Achievers Award in 2014. We are one of the 10 most innovative biotech solution providers in India. And this has been highlighted in the Insight Success Magazine 2020 with a total employee strength of 300. And this year we were also awarded the SME of the year 2020 manufacturing sector chemicals. Cisco also has a certification of ISO certification of 9001 2015. We are also FDA, CE, and GMP certified with a wide range of products covering more than 6,000 products at our state-of-the-art manufacturing units with a pan-India presence with 5 distribution warehouses and more than 3,000 Indian and 120 international authorized distributors network globally. Our mission is to provide high quality products that combine performance with value pricing while establishing a successful relationship with our customers and suppliers. SRL product, due to the vast range of our product list, we have classified our products under different headings, which are the research and laboratory chemical reagents, biotech products, the culture media products, nanotechnology, as well as the BioLit range of products. which are primarily used for quality control, analytical research, development and testing in the education and R&D activities, pharmaceutical and biotech manufacturing, like the APIs, formulations, vaccines, and the biopharmaceutical products. Our classifications fall under these type of products, that is the biochemicals and the molecular biology products, organic and inorganic compounds, solvents and reagents like the HPLC, GCHS, UV, AR, and the Exit Plus, the dehydrated culture media, kits, ingredients, supplements, nanotech powders, and carbon nanotubes and nanofilms, and the Biolit range of products, which are the DNA and protein tools. Some of the products that I can highlight here are the electrophoresis, biocatalyst, and bioreagents, like the dyes and indicators, albumin bovines, biocatalyst, biological buffers, gel and filtration, DNA and the RNA accessories reagents. Some of the biochemicals and nutrients are the specialized diagnostic and organic synthetic products, enzymes, enzyme substrates and inhibitors, biodetergents and surfactants, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, amino acids and the protected amino acids, dissolution testings, bile acids and salts. We also have a range of products which are for plant growth, organic synthetics, and miscellaneous. Plant growth regulators, hormones, mutagens like the gibberellic acid, zeatin, ethyl and methyl, methane sulfonate, solvents like the acetic acid, DMF, DMSO, hexane, petroleum ethers, toluene, xylene, chromatographic separating materials, boronic acids, organic and inorganic compounds like the peptides, linkers, MAFEs, free radical initiators, and also the precious metal compounds like the silver salts, gold chloride, palladium. These are some of the few products that we deal in. We have a large product base. Uh, then we have the HPLC, GC, UV and reagents for the pharmaceutical analysis, like the HPLCs and GC solvents that we have are the acetonitrile, methanol, dimethyl formamide, dimethyl sulfoxide, N-methyl pyrrolidone, and hexane and propanol, IPA, TFA. We also have the dried and anhydrous solvents, ion pairing reagents like the hexane, heptane, octane, and the quaternary ammonium compounds, inorganic compounds like the sodium, potassium salts, fluorides, thiosulfates, thiocyanates, potassium bromide, AS solutions, ICP solutions, and also the AS standard solutions like the antimony, barium, bismuth, to name a few. Nanotechnology. I can safely say that Cisco, that is SRL, is the only company in India who has the nanotechnology products. Nanotechnology products, we have the multi-walled, the single-walled, thin-walled helical carbon nanotubes, short CNTs, nickel-coated CNTs. And this is another range of Biolit DNA and protein tools. This range encompasses of the DNA and the protein markers and ladders, DNA and protein purification and educational teaching kits. These products are designed for a highly pure, precise, and ready to use, and have established a niche for their quality and precision. Some of the BioLit products again, which I can share are the top selling products are the Tag polymerase, the DNA ladders, staining dyes, the PCR accessories, the teaching kits like the agarose gel, bacterial transformation kits, silver staining kit, and SDS page kit. The general nanotubes, oxides, sulfates, graphene, multi-element oxides, single element, polymer nanospheres, and the nanozeolites. Well, now let's come to culture media. Culture media is a special medium used in microbiological laboratories to grow different kinds of microorganisms. Some of the culture medias that we are into is culture media and the harmonized media for microbiology. We have the amines, EMB agar, the fluid thioglycol medium, McConkey agar, Mueller-Hinton, the tryptophan soya agar. We also have a chromate range of products, that is the E. coli agar, Salmonella agar, TBX agar, Bacillus cereus agar. And in biological ingredients, we have the peptone and the protease, yeast extract, tryptone, casamino acids, the agar powders, and in antibiotic supplements, we have the potassium tellurite, potassium citric supplement, and the CFC supplements. We also have the culture media kits for small quantity users, which are pre-weighed media in the dehydrated form. We also have some of the E. colis, that is the tryptophan broth, the terrific broth, LB agar, MRVP, the TSI, the tryptophan broth. And the non-selective media for identification, we have the blood agar, the Christensen urea agar, Cled agar, Kliger agar, lactose broth, and many such products for non-selective medias. The selective medias, we have the endo agar, the EMB agar, McConkey agars, violet bile agar, WL differential agar, and in media we have the brilliant green bile broth, EC broth, ECD agar, lauryl sulfate, M-endo broth. Various applications for the culture media products go into industries like pharmaceuticals, food, dairy, water, environmental monitoring, genetic engineering applications. In pharmaceutical, the main tests are like the sterility testing, microbial limit test, vitamin assay, antibiotic assay medium. And for the organisms, it's the coliforms, Clostridia, Pseudomonas, Salmonella, Staphylococcus, and fungi, yeast and molds. Hello?
Oh, yes, hello.
Hello?
Yeah?
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, I can hear your voice.
Yeah, because I think there was some internet connection problem.
From your side or?
Yeah, from our side.
Oh, okay. Yes, actually, we can still hear your voice clearly.
That's great.
Okay, great.
Okay, great. You can continue, please, the presentation. Okay,
Culture media also is used in the clinical and the hospitality industries. And the main tests are for testing of the clinical specimens, testing of bacteria, and the fungi testing. And in the organisms, and to test the organisms, the bacteria, Actinomyces, Aeromonas, Bacillus, Brucella, Clostridium, Corynebacterium, Pseudomonas, Vibrio, Yersinia, Candida, Trichophyton. These are some of
Um, I'm sorry, Smita.
hello.
Actually, we cannot hear your voice half of the presentation from the previous slide.
Can you hear me now?
Now, yes, now I can hear your voice. Yeah, from here probably.
From here?
Yeah, from here.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I was talking about the organisms.
Yes. Yes.
To test the bacteria, the Ectomonas, Aeromonas, Bacillus, Bacteroids, Brucella, Clostridium, Vibrio, Yersinia. In Am I audible?
In previous slide, no. But now, yes, I can hear your voice.
Okay, okay.
Yes, from here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, thank
So,
you.
culture media also is used in the food industry. Are we even? The main taste are the micro involved in food processing and the food spoilage. Yes. Yeah. Okay. The organisms, the Salmonella, the coliforms, Clostridium, Vibrio, Vibrio, Staphylococcus, and Aeromonas, Hydrophila. And to test the fungi, the yeast and the molds. Few media application wise chart. One of the media Bushnell has brought is used in the clinical, the food and the water industry. The Sabrid dextrose agar can be used in the food and water industry. OF basal medium is used in food and water again. The salmon citrate agar is used in food and water. The milk agar citramide is used in the clinical and the food industries. These are some of the few media applications, and there are many more. Yeah, like the McConkey, the nutrient agars. Okay, now any questions?
Hello, Smita.
Yes, Azalia.
Until now, probably you finish your presentation first, and we can open the question and
Okay,
answers in the end. Is it okay?
later. Okay, at the end.
Okay.
All right, no
Okay.
issues.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. We also have the chromogenic media, which are the microbiological media suitable for the incubation, differentiations, selection, or selection of many microorganisms by using the chromogenic substrates and resulting in color production. The advantage of chromogenic media is a shorter time to result compared with traditional methods. On a single medium, you can identify more than one organism. The result interpretation is visually without the need of a special skill or machine. And the chromogenic media eliminates the need of subculture and further biochemical test for identification pathogenic agent. These are some of the photos that I would like to show. These are the McConkey agars, the microorganism growth. You can see the first one is the McConkey, the second is the nutrient agar,
Nothing
and the third.
funny. नहीं ऐसे ही आया था मैं वॉक कर रहा था ऐसे में प्रेजेंटेशन चल
These are some of the other product results that I would like to recommend: the Salmonella Shigella agar, the TT solutions, the Beige Parker agar base, bismuth sulfite, Chromed E. coli agar, and the dextrose agar. Critical client handling. Okay. I have actually finished with our classifications of our products. After this, I'm going to let you know quickly
Walking
how
around
SRL handles
presentation going on
the
Indonesian villa. No, I've this thing videos off. I'm walking, which is what you told me right.
the logistics and the customer handling part is we have very good forwarders, logistics teams who are very dependable, and we have a lot of control on the consignments. Our open the policy within the company also, it is to facilitate environment. For critical clients, we have auditable facilities approved by the global MNCs, adhering to manufacturing guidelines and certifications. Then we have the customization of product specs, R&D, and scale up quickly and efficiently, supplying a wide variety of industries like the research, the pharma, biotech, diagnostics, the food and beverage industry, and the mining and basic specialized chemical industries. We globally supply to these countries in Europe, Eurasia, the African subcontinent, North and South America countries. Yeah. We have a very good interactive website, which is www.srlchem.com. You can have all the details on that website. It has interactive product pages, pack sizes and prices. We have the live stocks, which is updated every few hours. It is updated. We have complete specifications and data sheets. The COAs and MSDS and batch related documents are available online. Prices in global currencies, and the catalog and the promotional brochures are also available online. Our clients are the global pharmaceutical companies, the global testing services like the DNV Intertech, the CROs and R&D laboratories like the Perexcel, Icon, PRA Health Sciences, food and beverage and nutraceutical companies, cosmetics, and the beauty companies. Yeah. And all the other universities, institutes, the ministries, the hospitals, and the diagnostic and medical research industries are also a part of our client base. Our, our client also includes the oil and petroleum industry, the dairy, the milk, poultry, meat, fish. Okay. Now let me come to our packaging. For culture media, we have small packages like the 500 grams and the 100 grams. We also have a bulk packing of 5 kgs and the 25 kgs for fermentation units. We use this type of glass bottles for the solvents and the biochemical products, plastic bottles for the chemical powder products. These are the kits packing for reference standards. And the Violet product range is packed in, for the DNA and the markers. Okay. Now, most important is our distributor in Indonesia is PT Plasma UNITECH Global. The contact person over there is Digna. You can find this on our website also under the global distributors. Thank you. And I await your questions now.
Hello.
Yes, Azalia.
Thank you very much for the presentation. It's a clear presentation, and also we have already get the several questions from the attendees. The first one is the products from SRL already certified like GMP or ISO or something else? That's the question.
Yes, we are GMP certified, ISO 9001 2015 certified, and we are also CE certified and FDA certified.
Okay, thank you very much for the answer. Also, the next questions. The attendees asking about the restriction enzyme from the BioLit. Is the restriction enzyme are able if they are request for the type of CAC8I?
We will need to, we will need to check this and come back to you, Azalia.
Okay. And also we will follow up for the attendance by email probably. Also, okay. There's a question again. Is it have a good GPT?
Sorry?
Is it have a good GPT?
Azalia, can you, I'm not able to understand what you're saying. Can you please?
Well, actually, this question is from Miss Ratna Ayu Budi Winingrum. Kepada Ibu Ratna Ayu Budi Winingrum, apakah dapat menjelaskan kembali tentang tersebut? Okay. Actually, Smita, I asking the attendance for the elaborate the question, so we will wait for the further questions. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, they already answered and they already get that the question. The GP is the growth promotion task.
Yes, we do that in-house.
Oh, yes. Okay.
And the media are also tested with the standard ISO process.
Okay.
With a high recovery rate.
Okay, thank you very much for the answer. Also, there are further questions. What is the advantage of SRL compared with other competitors we already known so far? Thank you. Yes, that's the question.
Can you repeat it, please?
Oh, what is the advantage of SRL compared with the other competitors that we already know so far? The point of the SRL, yeah, the advantage, the key point of the SRL. That's the question.
If you want to compare us with other companies like the Sigmas, the Oxides, we are very competitive in the pricing. Yeah. In fact, we may be 1/3 of the pricings, and quality wise, we are at par with these. With respect to the purity of the compound, color of the compounds, the growth promotion of the medias is absolutely the same. So we are. So you are buying an a European product at an Indonesian price.
Yes. Thank you very much for the answer, Smita. So we have further questions. Do you have any media products that ready to use to analyze the microbes? Hello, Smita. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, okay. So the further question is, do you have any media products that ready to use to do analysis of the microbe?
The ready-to-use media has a very short shelf life of 6 months. So we are actually doing the powder medias only.
Okay, so only powder
Which
media.
have a shelf life of 3 years.
Okay. We have further questions from Anggi Fitriasari. Do SRL provide halal media? I mean, already halal certified media.
They are not halal certified, but the ingredients that are used are halal certified and from halal certified vendors.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, because we supply to a lot of Islamic countries, so that is one of the need there.
Okay. Yes. I think. Yes, I think that's the
We
question.
also have the veg media. Yeah, which do not use any meat products.
Okay.
Yeah, also has the same result as the meat products.
Okay, thank you very much for the answer. So, yes. There's also another question.
Right, customer.
Do SRL provide a customized product?
Yes, SRL do provide a customized products for media as well as chemicals.
Okay.
Small quantities as well as bulk quantities.
Yes, I think that's the question. Yes, that's all the question already answered. So, is there any further information that you will give to us, Smita? Hello?
Okay. We would like to inform you that we can give you samples of either the chemicals or the medias, and the customers can inform you about it, and in turn you can let us know about it.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for the information. Probably I will provide the summary for your presentation, but in Bahasa, is it okay?
Yes.
Oke, ya terima kasih banyak atas webinar yang telah dilakukan dan juga untuk memberikan summary. saya akan menggabungkan semua informasi yang telah diberikan oleh Smita tadi. Jadi SRL ini memang telah menyediakan banyak produk dan juga telah memberikan informasi dan juga produk-produk yang tersedia baik itu di media website misalnya ataupun dengan distributor resmi yang tersebar di seluruh dunia. Lalu juga untuk pengguna-pengguna SRL ini juga telah tersebar di seluruh dunia di 5 benua, lebih dari 120 stokis resmi dan juga di 80 negara. Untuk beberapa sertifikasi yang telah didapatkan oleh SRL ini ada GMP, ISO, dan juga sertifikasi dari FDA seperti misalnya, dan juga terdapat juga customize ataupun produk-produk yang bisa di customize ataupun apabila Anda membutuhkan sesuatu ataupun produk khusus dapat memberitahu kami terlebih dahulu sebagai distributor resmi SRL di Indonesia dan nanti kami akan komunikasikan dengan pihak SRL seperti itu. Dan terdapat beberapa kelebihan juga dari SRL ini, diantaranya SRL itu dapat bersaing dengan harga dari produk-produk yang sudah mungkin Anda pakai selama ini, tapi juga tanpa meninggalkan kualitas dari setiap produknya. Dan dengan lebih dari 5.000 produk, SRL ini siap mendukung ataupun mensupport baik itu industri ataupun pengaplikasian lainnya seperti pengajaran dan lain sebagainya. Ya mungkin summary dari saya seperti itu. Dan hello Smita, you're still there?
Yes, I'm there, Azalia.
Okay, so probably because there's no further question and answer section and there's no further questions from the attendees, probably I will inform the attendees that if you have any further questions or queries, please do not hesitate to contact us, PT Plasma UNITECH Global, as the distributor, authorized distributor in Indonesia, or contact SRL directly. And for the questions that weren't been answered by us will be followed up by email. So thank you once again, Smita, for the presentation and for giving us the very great information regarding SRL.
Well, I would also like to end this presentation by saying terima kasih.
Oh, okay.
To everyone.
Okay, terima kasih kembali. Smita, thank you very much.
Thank you, Azalia. Thank you for giving us this opportunity.
Okay, thank you very much. So yes, probably that will be the end of our presentation and our webinar for today's webinar about cell culture application in biotechnology and industrial application.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.